Hello viewers, welcome to Web Design and Development course. In today's lesson, I am talking about the HTML paragraphs. A paragraph always starts on a new line and is usually a block of text. Now I am showing you this is the block of text. This is block. This is another block and this is third one block. Paragraph tag will generate this block of code. The HTML tag p element defines a paragraph. A paragraph always starts on a new line. It will start always on new line, and browsers automatically add some white spaces, a margin before and after a paragraph. You can see here are some paragraphs, at least 3 paragraphs, 1, 2 and 3. Browsers automatically have given extra space, white space, in between these all 3 paragraphs. This is the space, white space we can say. HTML display, you cannot be sure how HTML will be displayed. Large or small screens and resized windows will create different results. With HTML, you cannot change the display by adding extra spaces or extra lines in your HTML code. Now, I am showing you how we cannot add or change the display by adding extra spaces. Suppose this is first paragraph in which I am giving extra space. Look like this. Now I am going to run this program. You can see the result is same. We cannot give extra space. You might have seen that this is not giving result. So I am inserting extra text here. Extra text here. Now see the result. You can see the extra text here has come, but this space is not generated by the browser or in the output window. So we cannot add the extra spaces directly. For that purpose, we will take another action, which I will tell again in this video. What is HTML horizontal rules? HR tag defines a thematic break in an HTML page and is most often displayed as a horizontal rule. Suppose I am giving here HR tag, which is horizontal rule, after the first paragraph. Now see the result. This is HR, horizontal rule. Suppose I give another HR tag, it will give the second HR. Okay, what is HTML line break? The HTML BR element defines a line break. Use BR if you want a line break, a new line without starting a new paragraph. Suppose if I want to give a line break, I will give here the BR tag. Now you can see this paragraph from here will move under these lines. Now see the result. You can see paragraph has transferred from upper line to lower line. The poem problem. Suppose I want to write this poem and I want these spaces available in my code. So I will paste here the code and see the result. I will not be able to see the result just like this. For that purpose, I have to give this pre command before and after this poem. Now see the result. Oh yeah, I have been able to see this result by adding this pre command. This was the solution by using the HTML pre element. Now see the exercise here. Test yourself with exercise. Exercise: use the correct HTML tag to add a paragraph with the text hello world. If I want to display this hello world, what should I give here? Now I am telling you, give the p tag. Now hello world exclamatory sign. You can see. Now submit the answer. Let me to show you the answer. Yes, it's correct. So this is the exercise which I have completed. Now HTML tag references. W3schools tag reference contains additional information about HTML elements and their attributes. P defines a paragraph tag. This P means paragraph tag. HR defines a thematic change in the content. BR inserts a single line break, and pre defines pre-formatted text. In this lesson, we taught in the paragraph HTML tag section these four things: paragraph, HR horizontal rule, BR break row, and pre command. So friends, do much the practice as you become the master of the web designing. In this section we are just introducing the web designing. After that we will move on the web development, in which we will use the PHP and other technologies. So see you, bye bye.